Yo, what's up, guys? Yo, there's hail coming down right now. Yep. Look at that, bro. Yo. Oh, hell no. Yo. Check that all out. Peace. See you on the other side. Tornado coming soon.